Here are 5 key habits that can help your car last over 500,000 miles. First, stick to a regular maintenance schedule. Change oil and filter on time, replace air, fuel and cabin filters, and, well, follow your car's service manual religiously. Consistency prevents wear and tear from building up over time. Next, use quality fluids and parts. Make sure you use the correct grade of oil, coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid. Stick with OEM or high-quality aftermarket parts. Cheap parts can cause expensive failures down the road, so it's just not worth the risk. So, let the engine idle for like 30 to 60 seconds before you start driving, especially when it's cold outside. And, avoid heavy acceleration until the engine is nice and warm. Cold starts are really harsh on engine components. Try to avoid hard acceleration and sudden braking whenever you can. Also, don't overload your car or tow more than it's meant to handle. It's best to drive at steady speeds if possible. Gentle driving, honestly, dramatically reduces stress on both the engine and the transmission. Pay attention to any warning lights, weird noises, or strange vibrations. Seriously, those aren't just random. Don't ignore minor issues because, well, they often turn into major repairs down the road. Make sure to do regular inspections, or have a trusted mechanic check things out. Preventative care is always cheaper and, honestly, way more effective than just waiting for something to break.